Bollywood stars who performed own stunts. Shraddha Kapoor. Leading lady Shraddha trained herself in martial arts. Our beloved actress refused to take double for the film Baghi and prepared herself within a short time. Her real best friend Tiger Shroff told in an interview that in Baghi, Shraddha did her own action on screen. Tiger Shroff. New macho man Tiger Shroff is famous for his action films War. And shocking fact is that Tiger loves to perform dangerous action stunts on his own. This Bollywood heartthrob is trained in martial arts and is one of the youngest actors who did acrobatic stunts in films like Heropanti and A Flying Jet. Akshay Kumar. Bollywood's number one khiladi Akshay Bhaiya always refused to take body double when it comes to real action stunts. He did a stunt on a top of an aeroplane in his blockbuster film Khiladi 420 alone. Our beloved Aki has maintained a great physique at 52. Hrithik Roshan. Not many people are aware of this fact that Greek god of Bollywood Hrithik Roshan also does his own action stunts performances. Most of his stunts in Bang Bang was performed by Hrithik and he always refuses to take anyone else to perform his own stunts in films. Ajay Devgan. Being the son of action choreographer Veeru Devgan, Ajay is always ready to perform his own action sequence. This 51-year-old senior actor has performed dangerous action sequences in his blockbuster films like Singham series and Shivai. Salman Khan. Our Sallu Bhaijan is always seen doing full action-packed films like Ek Tha Tiger, Wanted, Tiger Zinda Hai, and his stunt has left us all impressed. In his blockbuster hit film Tiger Zinda Hai, Salman shot a scene with actual wolves and he refused to take dummy for that particular stunt. Amitabh Bachchan. Living legend Big B is known for doing all the action sequences on his own. Big B did all his stunts Coolie, Dawn, Namak Halal, Hum, etc. His infamous action scene in the film Coolie led him to bed rest in the hospital and the injury has till now keeps bothering him. Priyanka Chopra. Martial art expert Priyanka didn't take any kind of help of dummy in Hollywood and has done few action stunts in Quantico without the dummy. Shah Rukh Khan. Though our beloved King Khan is famous for his romantic roles, Shah Rukh has even performed many action scenes without the dummy. Whether it is his film Raees, Happy New Year or Dilwale, Shah Rukh has done his own stunt actions. Katrina Kaif. One of the hottest and fittest diva, Katrina has performed quite a lot of action scenes in many films like Dhoom 3, Ek Tha Tiger, Bang Bang and Tiger Zinda Hai. Sonakshi Sinha. One of the tough actresses of Bollywood, Sonakshi is known for her own action scenes in Force 2 and Akira. She did her training in martial arts too. Taapsee Pannu. Her brief action in the film Baby impressed all of us and after that she completed her training in judo and karate for her role Naam Shabana. John Abraham. John has successfully performed his macho image as a tough action hero and performed some difficult stunts in Force 2 and Butler House. Vidyut Jamwal. This trained martial artist did some stunning stunts from his debut film Force. Even in his next film Commando, he did all his dangerous action sequences by himself. What is your favorite action movie in Bollywood? Write your thoughts in the comment section and please subscribe our channel for more exciting Bollywood news.